Hi, this is Ian from Blog in a Box, and in this next tutorial we're going to learn how to add a new user. Now there's a number of reasons why you might add a new user. You might want to not want to use your real name when you're blogging, whether you're a bit shy or whether you just want to use a pen name or a pseudonym. Or the other reason for wanting to add a new user is that you might have other people in your team or your company who you would like to log into your WordPress and also contribute to blogs or to add pages or any other content for that matter. So you log in, you're presented with your dashboard, and again you click on the left hand side, users, and then here we see the list of users. Then next to the word users up here, you just click on add new, and you'll be presented with the add new user screen. So this is where you put all the details of the new user. So first of all, you choose a username, so we'll call this guy test user. Email required, let's say test user at bloginAbox.net. But you'd put the real email address of the user that you're adding. First name test, last name user. Website, you can put whatever website they're related to, and then you just add a password in here. So like last time, you choose a password that's nice and strong with a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters and a few numbers. And then this little button, this little checkbox here, if you click that, it'll automatically send the password to the user, so they'll know how to log in and what their password is, etc. Then the last box at the bottom of the page is the type of user that you want your new user to be. So they can either be a subscriber where they need a username and password to access the blog, but they're effectively just a user. They could be an administrator. Now you need to be really careful if you're making people administrators, because administrators can do absolutely anything. They're like superpower users on a WordPress site, so they can add pages, delete content, etc. So just be careful who you make an administrator. You've got an editor role, which acts as a gatekeeper, so they would read articles and blogs that are submitted or comments that are submitted, and then authorize them to be displayed on the site. And then author and contributor are very simple. So if we just keep it simple, authors and contributors can add content to the site. So we'd like our test user to be able to contribute to blogs, so let's make him an author, and then we click add new user. And then here we get the confirmation that the user's been created, because we can see them in the username, and then that user's good to go. So now that user will receive an email with their password. They can come to the site, type in WP admin at the end of the domain name, enter that username and password, and they're in.